Did someone need my help? Our friend here is a little hesitant about the vaccine. Oh, that old thing? Nothing to be scared of. Got it just yesterday.
Oh, did it hurt?
Not a bit. Here, take this cat.
What?
Meow. Old Marmalade here helped me when I got my vaccine.
Well, now that we are properly equipped, we may go see if Dr. Bluebeezer is available. Who's that? Why, a top expert in vaccine administration.
Someone called me.
Thank you, my good doctor. Our compatriot Shemp has not received the vaccine.
Vaccine administration. Preparation initiated.
Meow.
Are you ready, Shep?
Maybe.
Initiating vaccine sequence. In 3, 2, 1. Complete.
Wow, that actually didn't hurt. Thanks, everyone.
First installment complete. Please return in 2 weeks.